Alright, everyone, welcome to my channel. So, today or now, I'm going to share with you how to pronounce Malay words. Okay, so what you have to do and what you have to put in your mind. Okay, this is for your mindset. Malay language is one of the easiest language that you can ever learn. So make sure that when you spend your time studying in Malaysia, studying this Malay course, you can at least speak or read some or maybe like at least the basic Malay words, okay? Because it's really easy. So now I'm going to focus on the pronunciation. So, how are you going to pronounce the words in Malay if you don't have basics? Okay, if you don't have Malay basics. So, what I'm going to share with you now is the table of the consonant and the vowels on how to pronounce each syllable. Okay, so let's have a look on this one. Alright, so if you look at here, we have the consonant list and the vocal list. So what you have to remember is the vocal sound, oh, not the vocal sound, vocal is Malay. I mean, the vowel sound is this one. We have A, we have E, O, U. Okay, so in English we say U as which is umbrella, U for under. Okay, but the sound of U in Malay language, it's gonna be oo, like ooh la la, something like that. Okay, so we pronounce it as oo. And then for the A sound, we actually have two sounds. Okay, we can say it as or we can say it as okay, depending on the placement of the letter A in the word. If the A letter is in the middle, you have to pronounce it as A. But if the A letter is the last letter in a word, you have to pronounce it as A, or maybe you can pronounce it as A. So you have two pronunciation for A letter if the A letter is at the last place or last letter in a word. Okay, do you get what I mean? Okay, so now we have e, o, u, and then we are going to combine with the consonants. So we have b, ch, d, f, g, h. So we have ba, b, be, bi, bo, bu, cha, ch, che, chi, cho, chu. Okay, it's like that. Ga, ge, ge, ki, go, gu. Okay, now I sound like a silly kid. So now let's look at the next one. We have the consonant and the same vowel. So the rules are similar. You just have to pronounce the consonant literally and you have to combine with the sound of the vowel. So we have ja, 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 ji, jo, ju, ka, ke, ke, ki, ko, ku, ra, ra, re, ri, ro, ru, and then za, 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 zi, zo, zu. Okay, so now let's go to the tricky part. So let's have a look on the consonant. If the consonant is double like this, okay, we have k, k, nga, ng, nya, sh. Okay, so if the consonant is double, the sound or the pronunciation of the word could be a little bit different. So listen carefully on how to pronounce the words or the syllables that has this double consonant. Okay, so we have ga, ge, ke, ki, ko, ku, ka, ke, ke, ki, ko, ku. You don't have to pronounce the h sound. Okay, but for this part, the ng consonant, if you see this in a word, you have to pronounce both n and both g sounds. So you have to combine. It will sound like nga, nge, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Same like the N and Y, we have nya, nye, sorry, nya, nye, nye, ni, nyo, nyu. And the SY sound, uh, we can pronounce it as sha, she, 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 sho, sho. There's another one, we have SH. So same like that, we can say sha, she, 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 sho, sho. Okay, so this is the double consonants in a word. Now I'm going to share with you some of the words Okay, so what you have to understand in Malay words, when you want to pronounce the word, you have to divide them into syllables. If you don't know what is syllables, basically syllables is the smaller parts in a word. So if you look at this one, we have per, new, per, new. Per new is a turtle. Then we have nya, mo, nya, mo. Shampoo, shampoo. Shilling, telinga, pelangi. So if the word is long, you have to divide them. You have to take at least one vowel. Okay? And then you guys are going to divide. So if you see here, we have KH. Of course, you cannot pronounce the KH sound in Malay, right? So you have to take one vowel and divorce the word into two syllables. So we have K, mah, ka, mes. It's just like that. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear on this. So now let's have a look on the text. Okay, let's have some examples, okay, on how to pronounce some words in the text. So now I'm reading text 3. We have the second paragraph. So let's try to listen and practice on how to pronounce each word in this paragraph. I mean, in this sentence that I highlighted. Okay, so sekarang Windy tinggal di asrama 10. Dia tinggal dengan kawan baiknya. Nama kawan baiknya ialah Farisha. Got it? Okay. So this is how you guys are going to read or to pronounce in Malay language. So I hope that you guys are clear on that. If you have any confusion or if you still don't know how to pronounce any words, you guys can always refer to not me but Google Translate. I mean, if you have any confusion after you have done with your research, you can always ask me. Okay, no worries. I will always be there for you. So now, please make sure to translate the text and then try to read the article so that your tongue will be familiar with the words. So when the oral test session comes, you will not be nervous and you will know how to read the words fluently. Okay, so as you know, I need you guys to know that if you are reading the text, right, if some of the pronunciations are not read, like if you don't if you don't read the words like locals, you will be forgiven. I won't deduct any marks if you don't speak like locals. But then, as long as you can pronounce uh, the easy words fluently, you will get full marks. Do you get what I mean? So, for example, if you choose one text, right, the text might have like a very long words or maybe a very complicated words. Make sure to study first on how to pronounce the words, or maybe you can ask me, just ask me, teach you how to pronounce it. As I don't know, I will give you a voice recording. But then, what you have to do is, or what you have to remember is, you need to say it clearly. Okay, open your mouth and pronounce the syllables or pronounce the words clearly. If you have a little bit of slangs or accents, I won't mind. I won't deduct marks on that. Okay, that's the thing that you have to remember. So don't be so nervous. You just have to be how do I say? You just have to be ready, okay, with the basic skills in pronouncing Malay words. All right, so that's basically it. I will share with you more lessons in the next post. Bye bye.